if you're not being able to share Instagram Reels, in today's video, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out that will help to solve this issue. Now, the first and the easiest solution to this is try to clear the cache and data of your Instagram account. What you can do is tap and hold the app of Instagram and then head over to app info. From this setting, you'll be able to see the option called clear all data on the bottom right. You can just tap on this option and then you can see the option of OK. Once you tap on OK, your caches and data of Instagram will be immediately cleared out, meaning you'll be logged out of your Instagram account, so you'll need to log in back. The second thing that you can do is try to look for any new updates available. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, search for Instagram, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. Now, once you do these couple of steps and you're still having the issue of sharing Instagram Reels, that may be because the creator of the reel has not allowed the sharing or remixing option. If that is the case, you won't be able to do anything about it and you won't be able to share this particular reel. Unless that, by doing the steps that I showed you earlier, you should be able to fix the Instagram Reels sharing not working. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.